Want to know how to track sales performance in Salesflare? You're in the right place. Whether you're just starting out with the software or you're looking to streamline your sales process, tracking performance effectively is key to scaling your business. In this quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to track your sales performance in Salesflare and how you can leverage its powerful tools to boost productivity. Stick around until the end because I'll be revealing an exclusive offer that you won't want to miss. Salesflare is an intuitive CRM that automates much of the busy work for you so you can focus on building relationships and closing deals. To track sales performance in Salesflare, the first thing you need to understand is how it organizes and displays your data. Salesflare tracks sales progress through an easy-to-read pipeline view where you can see every stage of your deals and how far each opportunity is along the path to closing. One of the most powerful features of Salesflare when it comes to tracking sales performance is the ability to create custom pipelines. This allows you to tailor your sales process to your business's unique needs. You can set up stages like lead, proposal, negotiation, and closed, or any steps that work for your business. Each deal in the pipeline will show you its current stage, value, and projected close date, which makes it super easy to see where you stand at a glance. Beyond the pipeline, you can also track sales performance by using Salesflare's automated activity tracking. This feature tracks all interactions with leads and customers automatically. Every email, call, and meeting is logged in the system without you having to lift a finger. This gives you a clear picture of your team's activity levels and allows you to track engagement with prospects, all while keeping things organized. Plus, you can assign tasks, follow-up reminders, and have all of your communication in one place, which makes it easy to stay on top of things. Another great way to measure performance is by using Salesflare's reporting features. You can generate reports based on deals closed, sales activities, and team performance. These reports give you deep insights into how your sales efforts are performing and where improvements can be made. You can also track key metrics like win rates, average deal size, and sales cycle length. These metrics give you a clear understanding of how well your sales process is performing and where adjustments might be needed to improve results. Salesflare also integrates seamlessly with other tools you may be using, such as email, calendar, and accounting software. This allows you to bring in data from all areas of your business, making it easier to track and manage sales performance in one place. Integration with tools like MailChimp, Zapier, and QuickBooks means you don't have to waste time switching between platforms to get the information you need. The dashboard in Salesflare is another key feature for tracking performance. It provides a snapshot of your entire sales process, showing you metrics like pipeline value, deals in progress, and forecasted revenue. You can quickly identify which deals are at risk and which ones need more attention, allowing you to make strategic decisions about where to focus your energy. Finally, for team performance tracking, Salesflare allows managers to monitor individual sales rep performance, giving you a bird's eye view of your team's activity. You can see how many deals each rep has in their pipeline, their conversion rates, and the overall sales performance of your team. This helps with performance coaching, identifying top performers, and improving underperforming areas. And here's the best part, you can try Salesflare for free with the exclusive trial linked below. This gives you a hands-on chance to explore all the features we've talked about today and see how they can help you track and improve your sales performance. Don't miss out on this extended trial. It's available only through the link in the description. Remember, tracking sales performance isn't just about measuring results. It's about gaining insights that allow you to make smarter, data-driven decisions. With Salesflare, you'll have everything you need to streamline your sales process and boost your team's success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial through the link below.